My name is Sathwika. Today I am presenting my project titled Secure Password Manager. This project is developed using Python Flask and Framework for backend, HTML and CSS for the frontend, and SQLite for the database. The objective of this project is to provide secure system where user can store and manages their password using authentication hashing and encryption techniques. Mm, the main file is app.py, which contains all the backend and logic such as routes, authentication, database handling, and encryption. The templates of the folder contains HTML files, front end of the files, login, create, dashboard, add passwords, view password, generate password. In static, it contains style.css, which is used to designing and aligning the user interface. The database file contains SQLite database that stores encryption, passwords, and user information. This project works in simple but secure flow. First, the user creates a master password. This password is not stored directly. Instead, it is hashed for security. Next, the user logs in using the master password. If the password is correct, the user is authenticated and redirected to the dashboard. After logging, the user can add passwords, view passwords, generate passwords, log safely. All passwords stored in the system are encrypted using Cryptography Library. So even the database is assigned, the data remains protected. So let's go to the terminal and take new terminal and Python space app.py. So we get running this project into the local host. So if the user has a master password, they can type here and direct login. If the password was not filled, it will shows please fill out this field. Then if we want to create a new master password, they can create by using by adding the new password and confirm the password and save the password. It will be redirected to the back login page. Mm, So, to conclude this project, demonstrate about the importance of cybersecurity and concepts such as authentication, password handling, encryption, secure session handling. This project can be further extended with the features like cloud storage, multi-user support, and advanced security. Thank you. Thank you, and sorry for the disturbance.